which kind life where I never see. I carry God, so I fear nothing. Steady increase in the commas. Original, no be parody. You know, fit clear for your memory.
Alumni Keynote speaker, Mary Claire Chinego.
Remember the stories that my mother and my father taught. It is no small accomplishment to graduate from a school in District 12 in the Bronx. Graduates, remember your community, remember your peers, remember your memories, remember everything that you've shared in these halls, and remember where